Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today, we have an exciting comparison for you.
It's the battle of the dash cams. On the left, we have the ROVE R2-4K dash cam, and on the right, we have the SUVCON dash cam.
Get ready for some epic showdowns in different categories. Let's dive in. When it comes to video quality, both these dash cams pack a punch.
The ROVE R2-4K dash cam boasts an impressive 4K Ultra HD recording capability.
That's right, you'll be able to see every little detail, even that sneaky squirrel crossing the road.
On the other hand, the SUVCON dash cam brings a triple threat with its 170-degree wide-angle front camera, 150-degree cabin camera, and 150-degree waterproof rear camera.
With this setup, you'll have eyes everywhere, capturing every angle of the action.
So, who takes the crown in this category?
Well, it depends on your preference. If you're all about that crystal clear 4K footage, the ROVE R2-4K is your go-to. But if you want complete coverage of your surroundings, the SUVCON dash cam has got you covered.
Now let's talk about features. The ROVE R2-4K dash cam comes with built-in Wi-Fi 6, allowing you to instantly view and manage your recordings on your smartphone. Plus, it has GPS functionality so you can track your driving route and speed. Talk about being tech-savvy. On the other side, the SUVCON dash cam brings some impressive features to the table as well. It has a G sensor and parking monitor, which means it can detect sudden shakes or collisions and automatically lock those videos for future reference. Safety first, right? When it comes to features, both dash cams offer some great perks.
The ROVE R2-4K dash cam gives you Wi-Fi and GPS, while the SUVCON dash cam focuses on security with its G sensor and parking monitor. It's a tough call, but ultimately it depends on what you value most in a dash cam.
The night owls out there will appreciate this category. Let's talk about night vision. The ROVE R2-4K dash cam uses super night vision technology with a 6-glass lens and f1.5 aperture. Say goodbye to those blurry, unidentifiable nighttime encounters.
The SUVCON dash cam steps up its game with clear night vision and superior WDR technology. With 4 infrared LED lights and HDR, you'll be able to capture important footage even in the darkest of nights. No more mysterious shadows lurking in the darkness.
Night vision is crucial when it comes to dash cams, especially for those late-night drives. Both the ROVE R2-4K dash cam and the SUVCON dash cam excel in this category, ensuring you won't miss a thing when the sun goes down.
Overall, the ROVE R2-4K dash cam is praised for its video quality, easy setup, and value for the price. On the other hand, the SUVCON dash cam is recommended for its clear footage, user-friendly interface, and wide coverage. And that's a wrap for our comparison between the ROVE R2-4K dash cam and the SUVCON dash cam.
Remember, it all comes down to your personal preferences and needs.
Whether you prioritize video quality features or night vision, both of these dash cams offer great options. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more comparisons and product reviews.
And as always, stay smart and happy shopping.